going to be asking him some questions about what inspired him to go to law school, what inspired him to become an IP attorney, and just a little bit about his life.
Consistency and just not giving up.
What is, you started a business yourself, right? So you went through that whole journey.
Yes.
And that business didn't initially succeed, right?
Didn't initially succeed.
So, and a lot of entrepreneurs think they, what inspiring words can you give them through failure? What kind of lessons can they learn?
Yeah. Through failure, you will receive, I would like to say, data, right? Data that you can use, in other ventures moving forward.
Right.
So being in position is most important. A lot of people think that you have to get it right all of the time. But the most important thing is to be in position, whether it's a win or a loss, right? And then if you lose, you still have information or that data that you can take and apply it to something else.
Yeah.
Right? And then you just get better over time, just consistency and just not giving up.
So what tips can you give an entrepreneur? As they're starting their business, they're in that scary path. What tips could you give them?
So your best friend, you have two best friends. You have your lawyer and you have your accountant. Hopefully it's an accountant that has a tax law experience, right? But you definitely have to have, those two people on your team, because those two people, they're going to be essential to making sure that you are protected in all areas of your business.
I see.
Yeah.
And you need marketing too, I guess.
You need marketing. Please outsource. That's definitely something that I would definitely advise business owners. Outsource for those areas that you're not experienced in, because it will get rough. Entrepreneurship, it looks cool, but it's pretty rough if you don't have the the right support team and cast around you that help make your life easier.
Protect your brand with Trademarkia. Register your trademark on trademarkia.com.